We're trying to save my cousin, but my RC car will race this actual car. I don't know cars, so let's try. So let's see what happens. So RC car's in position. Now let's see what happens. And please don't get me. Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast. And the guy was a fun patrol. Next car! Do we got another car in? We got another car. And we're still waiting. Ah, fake it, it'll fly in my ear. Ah, fake it, fly! Get out of my ear. Oh, shoot! I thought you were trying to go in my crotch. So, we're going to go to cars. Come on, cars, move your butts. Yeah, that fly's also bugging you, isn't it, Antonio? Isn't it bugging you? Yeah. Isn't it? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Did I damage it? My thunder thighs damage it. Jesus Christ. Go fix it. So here we are, my cousins and I still waiting. God dang it, other cars, why don't you show us? And the RC car takes off. Got any other cars? Oh, let me turn my brightness up. Oh, here it is. Alright, folks, I got my brightness up. Oh, that's much better. Come on, you stupid cars! I'm shooting a YouTube video, god dang it! Drive. I'm not sure your 2 followers are gonna enjoy this. Your 2 followers. Looks like a big wiener.
At least I have one.
Wait a minute. I do have a wiener, and also, if I didn't, would you have to check? Would you have to check? Yeah, you have to check if I don't, which I do.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Antonio, are you a wigger?
Am I a what?
A wigger. Are you a wigger?
What is that?
A wiener.
Oh, you're so lucky. Oh, you're so lucky, Zach.
Why am I so lucky?
Oh, you're so lucky.
What? God dang it, is there any more cars?
Why don't you just end the video?
No.
Two-wheeling. Two-wheeling.
At least I have the subscribers. Back it up now, get up. No. Yo. So how does it feel to be a pro RC car racer? Feel good! Shoot! Hold on, let me get close up. Let me zoom in real close. So how's it feel? No. Yo! Please, some of these other cars coming out. I'm making a YouTube video that sucks right now. Only one car that came.
Suck.
Oh, they have subscribers! How many subscribers do you have? 0, because you don't even have a YouTube channel!
Exactly. I don't need one, bro. Sound too savage. I'm too savage for
Prove
YouTube.
it then! Prove it, make YouTube videos! Wait, a car! So, here he is. So here we are, yo, I feel like that guy's gonna hurt me. Oh, baby, Jimbo! Oh, baby!
Yeah, boy, that's what you get.
Yeah, fine, god dang it! Oh, man! And here we have the winner, the RC car winner. Another car!
can you go get it?
No! Finally, I like that guy in the white truck because he actually tried to get a fun on a race. Here we are, that guy's nice car, nice posture. So, honey, how does it feel to win? How does it feel to win, RC car? Nice posture. Oh no, another car! Alright, please don't get mad. Oh no. Please don't get mad at me for YouTubing. Oh my god! See the racing! Oh baby! I was gonna win! Another one! And made it about the third time! And you guys didn't see the first time because I just figured out about YouTubing. How's it feel about winning again, RC car? So we won 3 matches of racing cars. Wait, maybe we get to have an idea. Maybe if that guy's leaving, you get to try to race him. Wait, his goes in the garage. Maybe this is pretty good. So we might see a really cool car that no one has ever saw before. Here it is. No, San Antonio, you get to have the that rating doesn't count. Come on, you old car. Here we are.
Party pooper.
That was the party pooper. If she just said no, I would. The trainer said no, it's race. No, because I'm gonna run it over. Big old excuse to lose. Oh shoot. We're clear! Antonio! There's another car! Another one. Another one. Alright. Alright. If we're able to get a race for this, I'm gonna be so happy. So, Antonio, how do you think about this YouTube video is gonna go out?
Right.
You're right, so you got a beat class! Oh shit. Here comes that Maserati in the house. Late start, sucker. Please don't hurt me. There's a squirrel! Behind you. Oh, is he trying to go for the squirrel? Squirrel's right there. Sick him. Sick the squirrel. It's in the bush. God dang it, come on, squirrel! You too famous! Turtle, golf cart! Golf cart! Behind you! Yo, I feel so dorky. I feel so dorky right now on the YouTube video. Come on, let's go! Go, go!
Trash.
Wait, those are kids.
Yeah,
They're
bro.
driving.
Yeah.
Savages!
Trash!
Yeah, you too! Savage kids are on YouTube, they're driving! They're driving! So what do you gotta say for winning against kids? That actually was pretty cool. I'm not joking, that actually was pretty cool, right? Dude, those kids were sick. Oh shoot! You are awesome, RC car. I might get an Xbox One.
Oh, bro. I might get an Xbox One too. I might not.
Ayy!
But I'm a PS4 guy. Screw Xbox.
I hate the Xbox 360 now.
It's trash.
You So they still have games for it. But yeah, but it's only like 5. Wait, is he gonna race? Please race. Does that count as a race, Antonio? Oh! Are you gonna count this one? Or is there any cars behind me? Nope, there's no cars behind me. So let's check it, bro. So no, I actually think this is gonna be a pretty good video. Just saying, my opinion. It might be sucky, but there's a car right there. Are you gonna risk it for a biscuit or no? Please don't tell me I'm in the driveway. Are you gonna do it? Does that really actually count, Antonio?
No. Uncle Ryan, we beat a golf cart.
Oh yeah, Dad!
Got it on video.
Dad! Kids were driving a golf cart, like a herd of kids were inside the golf cart, and the kid was driving it, and then
And kids on one golf cart.
and then no adult, and then
They're like, you want to race, bro? And I was like, yeah.
car! Party pooper. Dino, you might be internet famous. What do you got to say? By the way, you want to know what those true subscribers were from? That video where you racing a Lamborghini in the game, but I deleted it. But still subscribe to me.
No, I actually beat a Lamborghini.
And, no, I'm talking about in the video game.
No, video game, I actually beat a Lamborghini.
Nice. Maybe we should videotape you in the video game, right? Maybe I can cut out some parts and tell you about the video in the video game. Because I could just savage. Everything in.
Oh, look, there's Shrek.
Hi, Shrek. That's my dog. We're at Antonio, my cousin's house. How you doing? Should we tell your dad about Uncle Jason? So we were so I was making a YouTube.
I raced the golf cart out.
What?